Customer feedback is one of the most powerful, often overlooked assets in securing startup funding. Let's look at how to use it strategically. We are going straight into the topic. Introduction to feedback as funding. How do you turn user opinions into investor interest? Customer feedback is a powerful funding trigger. It moves you from a hypothesis to validated demand, which is gold for investors. Investors prioritize customer validation because it de-risks their investment. Proof of product market fit derived from actual users is highly persuasive. To effectively use feedback, you need to understand the two essential types, quantitative and qualitative. You need both. Quantitative feedback includes hard metrics and data. Think retention rates, weekly active users, conversion funnels, and NPS scores. These numbers show scale and adoption. Qualitative feedback covers user stories, testimonials, and specific pain points. This puts a human face on the data and explains the why behind the numbers. Now let's talk about converting feedback into investment proof. This is where you connect the dots for investors. Show adoption and engagement growth. Use retention metrics derived from quantitative feedback to prove sustained value and increasing customer loyalty. Link your product development directly to user requests. When you show that feature X was built to solve a specific, validated pain point, you demonstrate responsiveness and a lean approach. The next step is presenting the funding trigger narrative. You need to tell a cohesive story. Show how your robust feedback loop de-risks the investment. By continuously listening and iterating, you prove you're building what the market actually needs. Demonstrate a clear, evidence-based product market fit. This means having the data and the anecdotes to prove your solution solves a critical problem for a growing number of users. In conclusion, customer feedback is not just for product improvement. It is a critical tool in your fundraising arsenal. Use feedback strategically to unlock capital. Frame user input as continuous validation and a clear path to growth for investors. And here is a final tip. Make your feedback collection and response process measurable and repeatable. This shows operational excellence, which investors love.